What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to make a 404 or a page not found redirect to your website homepage. So normally when you hit some post, some page, some content that no longer exists on your site, for example, if I try to load your site and enter with an address on your browser search bar of a page that simply does not exist, you're almost gonna be able to see a page like this. Oops, this page can be found. Or for example, one of those amazing templates with 404, okay? But if some user find this, it's more likely the user gonna just leave your site, and we do not want this. So into this guide, you're gonna learn how to, if the customer, if the potential client, if the user, if the visitor of your site loads a 404 page, it's gonna be automatically redirected to your site homepage. So the user gonna always be able to see the front page of your site without leaving it just yet. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in our choose international sites' favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is log into your WordPress dashboard, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new. Once right here, you're gonna be able to see into the upper right corner of your screen a next bar, a field bar called keyword. Next to it, search plugins and just type all 404 redirect to homepage. And this is the guide that we are looking for. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. There is no need to worry, okay? You're gonna be redirected to your WordPress plugins list, a list where you can see all of the current installed plugins on your site. And if you review, there is options right here to enter into the settings, or you can review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress website, hover a mouse over settings and click on all 404 redirects to homepage, okay? So this plugin gonna add a new button to your website homepage, okay? To your website dashboard. And what you can do right here is a really quick and useful panel, okay? So you can redirect status, okay? So enable, okay, you can enable this. My home page, okay, my front page, the front page of my site, redirect all to, and the 404 image, you can redirect images, okay, in the case that you prefer. You can try to fix broken image that you may have deleted and are still embedded into some post to another image. You can disable or enable this. If you enable, make sure that you can upload the image right here to be the redirection image. Can be this one, for example. And it is, okay, really simple. After this, you can update the settings, okay, so update options. We have 404 URLs right here, in the case that you prefer. The plugin gonna try to collect the redirecting. Okay, for example, let me try to load a page that does not exist just yet. As you can see, this site gonna automatically redirect me for the home page, no longer the oops page not found issue. And if I go right here, the plugin gonna list for you the most common 404 pages, okay? So this is what I gonna type. So if the user types something into browser or hit some link, you're gonna know right here with a date and time and the URL. So a very useful plugin, okay? So it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visual Modo borderless WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg or even WP Bakery or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can download in order to save you time and let you customize your site for free. In the case that you want to promote your blog, to receive guest posts and publish guest posts, just submit your site on growth with 3ws.net and start using. It's completely free as well. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our templates library of pre-built websites, in fact thousands of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click for every single business style, make your site looks like one of those sites and have a ready site from the beginning. Moreover, with premium blogs, templates, assets, support, and many more pro features. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!